Inside the Magic, covering Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and more.
This is Amber Anderson reporting live from the Disney Magic, where in just a few minutes, technology tycoon Tony Stark will unveil what he says will be the latest in his legacy of life-enhancing innovations. As you can see, guests from around the world have gathered for what some are calling the party of the year. But what else would you expect from Tony Stark? As we wait for the presentation to begin, let's talk to some of Mr. Stark's guests to see what they think of today's events. Okay, come on in. Today I am standing with
Emily
and
Sean.
And where are you from today?
Pennsylvania.
Woo, they're from Pennsylvania! You've traveled quite far to be here today. How excited are you from a scale of 1 to 100 of being here at a Stark Industries event?
Definitely 100.
Oh my goodness, you heard it right here. Thank you so much. We also have another family here today. All right, can you tell us your name and where you're from?
Kellis.
Kellis, and where are you from?
Dallas.
Dallas, Texas! All right, and what are you wearing on your face?
Goggles?
And where are they from? Are they a Stark Industries item?
Yeah.
Yes, they are. He's wearing the merchandise. All right, and who are these lovely people behind you?
Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad are here too. And where are you guys from all together?
Dallas.
Exactly, Dallas, Texas. Let's hear it one more time for Dallas, Texas. Amazing. And we have one more family also really excited to be here today. Come on in. And can you tell me, what is your name, sir?
Lincoln.
Lincoln, like the president?
Yeah.
Yeah. And who are you dressed as today?
Thor.
Thor! Is he your favorite Avenger?
Yes.
Yes? Have you met him today?
Yes.
Yes? Is he cool?
Yes.
Everything is yes right here. And who is this next to you?
Dada.
Exactly. You've heard it all right here for the Daily Bugle. All right, and I am getting a message that we have a special announcement from the bridge.
Welcome, everyone. It looks like Tony Stark has prepared quite a party for you. You just enjoy yourselves. Don't worry about a thing, because it looks like smooth sailing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the unveiling of Stark Industries' newest innovation. I am Friday, a sophisticated artificial intelligence system created by Tony Stark, and your virtual host for the evening. The presentation will begin in just a few moments. Thank you.
That's our cue to wrap things up. Now, to capture the excitement from every angle, we're streaming multiple camera feeds throughout the ship, so you'll be able to catch all the action right here. Let's check in with our video director to make sure we're good to go. How are we looking, Earl?
Amber, we are looking great, just checking the feeds. Camera 1 is good. Camera 2 is good. Camera 3, perfect. Camera 4 looks good. Camera 5 looks... Camera 5? Parker, where are you?
Sorry, sir. Camera 5, ready to go.
Focus, Parker. Remember, interns can be replaced.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've got signals on all the feeds throughout the ship. We are good. We are ready to go live.
Great, it looks like we're ready to go. Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome the man of the hour, an innovator ahead of his time and ours, world-renowned philanthropist, technological genius, and your host for tonight's thrilling event, the incomparable Tony Stark.
Attention passengers, Iron Man is officially on deck. Oh, thank you. And thank you, Friday, for those kind and completely unscripted words.
Spoken just as you wrote them, sir.
And how about some love for my incredible dancers? Now, who's excited to be here? That's right. Because tonight is a triple threat. First, of course, there's me. All right, settle down a little. All right, just a little. Second, I'm unveiling technology that is beyond advanced and will truly change the world as we know it. And third, I may have invited a few friends. In fact, they're assembling right now. Would you like to meet them? One of S.H.I.E.L.D.'s most talented and intimidating agents. She has mad skills, she's dangerous, and I wouldn't want to be back on her naughty list. Please welcome the Black Widow, Natasha Romanoff. Next, we have the Master Archer who claims he never misses.
That's because I don't.
Show off. Here he is, Hawkeye.
How's everyone doing? Glad to be here.
And finally, a man who needs no introduction, mostly because he's been around for so long, I present to you the greatest hero I know, the Star-Spangled Man with a Plan, Captain America. What, no somersaults or shield throwing?
I'll leave the showboating to you, Tony. Where's Dr. Banner?
Missed the boat.
Thor?
No idea.
Vision.
Who knows? Visioning. What are you worried about?
Well, I'm just here to make sure your latest creation doesn't cause any global incidents.
It wasn't for the buffets?
That's why I'm here.
And, by the way, when has any of my creations caused any incidents?
Global incidents.
Do you really want us to count?
I might need to borrow some of your fingers.
All right, settle down now. Let's get to the reason that we're all here. The unveiling of the next big thing. The device that will propel us into the future. The core reactor. A thing of beauty, is it not? My friends, this technology will forever change the way we live. The reactor is a clean, limitless source of pure energy.
Haven't we heard this before?
Yes, Captain Impatient. This is different. The core reactor creates power proportional to demand. It can scale down to power a car and scale up to power a building. And in between, it can scale to power a cruise ship, like this one. Would you like to try it? I think I heard a yes. Captain, did you do the honors?
I'm pretty sure this thing is a beacon for trouble.
Don't make me sorry I invited you on this luxury vacation.
Not a vacation.
Let him have his moment. We'll keep everyone safe and be here to clean up Tony's mess.
Well, we are good at both of those.
Exactly. All right, everyone, on 3. 1, 2, 3. See? Absolutely nothing to worry about.
Except maybe for the Asgardian demigod.
Look at this. A grand gala with some of my dearest friends, and I didn't seem to get an invitation. I'm hurt.
Hey, nice entrance, Maleficent. Is this the part where you curse my child?
I don't know who Maleficent is, but he sounds like my kind of guy.
You're not getting the reactor, Loki.
Captain America, always straight to the point. But you're wrong. That power is too great for mortals. It shall be mine! Now, which of you would like to stop me?
I'll accept that challenge. held up at the shawarma station.
Wait, they have shawarma?
Yes, it really is quite tasty.
Excuse me. Oh, right. You'll never get away with it. Is that where we were?
We've been here before, Loki. You know we can beat you.
And you're probably right. But I am one to learn from my mistakes, Captain. Which is why this time I've enlisted a partner.
Good to see you again, Captain America.
Can't say the same about you, Red Skull. Is it just me, or has he become even more hideous? I mean, you really are ugly.
Charming. But I am afraid I am not here to exchange insults. I am here for the core reactor, and I plan on taking it. Hydra, attack! Yes, sir!
Is now a good time to say I told you so?
No. Now is a better time to say I have a plan.
I have a plan.
Black Panther?
Captain?
It's good to see you, Your Highness.
Was he just like waiting up there?
Orcs are not the only ones who watch from the shadows.
I asked him to back us up in case things went sour.
I don't know. This is pretty sour.
Behold! My Hydra agent has infiltrated your ship. It will only be a matter of time before it is ours.
So does your backup have a backup?
I'll head him off.
I will join you, and I will deal with Loki.
This should be fun.
The rest of you, protect the reactor and take out those Hydra agents. Think you can handle them?
Contrary to popular belief, I don't need a babysitter.
Wait, that's not why we're here.
It's time to put these guys down for their nap.
This is Amber Anderson again with the Daily Bugle. I'm reporting live from the Disney Magic where there is chaos and confusion. Hydra agents have boarded the ship and are attempting to steal the core reactor, Stark Industries' powerful new energy source. We have to... Don't mess with me! I'm from the real mine, baby! Let's check in with the other camera feeds.
Are you notice something? I can come back later.
Please join us, Stars.
You heard the Thunder God. It's Captain Marvel.
Your title is of no significance to me. You too shall be defeated.
That's funny. Remember that time I hit you in the face with a photon blast?
Now's our chance.
Fools! No one on Earth can stop me!
Then let's take Earth out of the equation.
Now, push him into the portal.
My pleasure.
Take care of him.
You send that grotesque creature to the dark dimension. He and Dormammu should get along nicely.
Great. Anything else I can help you with? Power level at 14%.
Tell me something I don't know.
You didn't know that.
That's it. I'm taking out the sarcasm chip. Hey, everyone. How's that destroy the drones plan coming?
Mr. Stark, I have an idea, sir. We could use the reactor to send a power surge through those drones. Their systems couldn't handle it and they'd be destroyed.
That's actually not a bad idea, kid.
Thank you. I'm so glad I could help. It's an honor to work with you again.
Not the time for that, kid. Who has the reactor?
You, Thor, that's you.
Ah, yes, I possess Stark's latest beacon for destruction.
Is that its technical term?
Might I suggest using the vibranium in the captain's shield and my suit to boost the energy?
Yes! And Thor, we're gonna need your hammer.
Mjolnir is always ready for battle.
Great! Cap says go, hit his shield with Mjolnir.
It's pronounced Mjolnir.
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 Watch what I'm saying.
We don't have time for this.
Right. So, hitting that with that will create a surge. Now all we have to do is take it to the drones.
I shall direct the surge.
Thanks.
I sure hope this works.
Chin up, Robin Hood. We got this.
The vibranium will not let us down.
All right, team. At the ready. And now!
Well done.
Looks like Hydra is retreating.
Never doubted the plan for a minute.
Of course you didn't.
Great work, team.
Yes, it's always an honor to stand by all of you in battle.
Couldn't have said it better myself, Thor. I believe this belongs to you. I caught him trying to sneak away.
This is not the end of me.
Oh, I count on it, brother.
Please let them be friendly. Please let them be friendly. Please let them be friendly.
Assemble.
Relax. Watching you guys struggle a bit there, I thought it might be a good idea to call in some backup of my own. Hello, Peter. Come on, man. You know it's Star-Lord.
Wait, didn't you leave before me? Quill had to stop for something called soft serve.
I already told you, you can't get real ice cream in space.
I am Groot.
See? Even Groot agrees it's delicious.
Since we were late, is there anything else we can do for you?
Yes, actually. Would you mind disposing of this thing for us?
Wait, what?
I'm not quite sure our planet is ready for this kind of power.
Fine. Do what you gotta do.
We will bring it to Novacore for safekeeping.
Hey, okay, wait. We haven't even talked raids yet.
I am Groot.
Oh, don't take her side.
I'm Groot.
Come on, man, you're embarrassing me. All right, now that we've gotten business taken care of, we've still got a party to attend to. You're welcome to stay. Now we're talking.
Excuse me, Amber Anderson here. Is it possible we get a photo for the Daily Bugle?
Sure. Where's your photographer?
Oh, I have no idea.
I think I saw him bravely fighting off some Hydra agents earlier.
Really? I thought he was hiding.
Not true.
Heroes, unite.
All right, everyone, get out those cameras.
See, everyone? Like I said, we had absolutely nothing to worry about.
I'm not even gonna justify that with a comment.
Say cheese. Cheese. Now let's get this party started. Needle drop.